Following my accident, coming into Alliance, my first thought was I wasn't ever going to be myself again. The progress that I've made here at Alliance, which when I was in my head had 6 months, we're now 3 months into it. I have now full range of my hand. The therapy that I've received with my shoulder has avoided another 6-week surgery that could have put another 6 months in. I feel great. I'm motivated to do more and get better every day.
The main focus of Cory's recovery was to get him back to a functional fist again, to be able to make a fist again, to be able to lift items, to be able to use his hand functionally through ADLs at home, at tasks, things that he loves doing.
During my journey at Alliance Orthopedics, seeing where I am now with the progress that I've made, I know it could not have been done without the motivation that Brooke has given me. In order to reach your greatest potential, you need somebody to push it to that potential. And this is why I am where I am and now able to go like that.